Lesinyathelo esinqala sithathwe ngaphansi kwesigatshana somthetho wezokuthutha usection 91 ogunyaza izifundazwe ukuba zithathe inyathelo ezinqala uma kunezibhelu ezibeka impilo yabantu engcupheni.
The taxi rank consists of many lanes and routes. So we are closing the lanes that are affecting the routes that we are going to close. We've made a transport contingency plans. You know, as you can see around us, you see there's a lot of Golden Arrow buses, and also the train is also running. So we've tried our utmost best to make sure that they are not convenienced to the level that it would make them frustrated.
Abagibeli bathi banethemba lokuthi angeke kuqhube ukudlame emzileni engavaliwe.
Today, as I came from work, I said, let me go and see what is happening to the taxis because they've got no other way to go home to the Khayelitsha. When I went there, I saw the cops were here in a rank and the taxis are just facing the other face because we never see the taxis like this.
Abagibeli bamatekisi bathi lokhu kuzobakhahlameza kakhulu emsebenzini njengoba kunzima ukufinyelela khona.
The closing of routes for 30 days is absolutely not the first answer that could come off because now a lot of people are stranded. The workers, us included, school children, as my colleague has said, are not going to be able to go to school and do tests. We are not going to be able to work.
Umnyango wezokuthutha eWestern Cape uthi unethemba lokuthi ukuvalwa kwalemizila kuzophoqa iziphathimandla embonini yamatekisi esifundazweni ukuba zibambe izingxoxo nohulumeni ukuze kutholakale isixazululo.